Hi again. In this video tutorial, we are going to do some logic script in the inventory model. So we already sent these quantities to the inventory model using destination app in the previous video. And right now we want to make some calculations here. So firstly, we want to input to calculate by default target stock, which should be, we'll use a simple scenario where we want the target stock to be 1 month of sales requests. So we want to keep 1 month of stock based on sales. So let's do this in the logic script. We should go to the inventory model. Few seconds to load. Okay, so we don't have anything here. What we want to do is to calculate the target stock. So we'll once again use when. When is Endwhen. We don't want this. And we want to use inflow. We want to do a calculation which will be based on the inflow sales plus we want also here to add both sales requests and product requests. So we want to aggregate this amount, divide by 12, and receive 1 month of stock that we need. This will be our target stock. And okay, so if we check the template, this is the member ID we want to use. And let's put some brackets and divide by 12. We want this to be, say, and just to check how it's written, got it from here. And we want this calculation to be executed every time any other member is changed, except for target stock. So let's do it. Let's see where we have a problem. Here we should have a bracket. Okay. Let's try it. We'll enter some current stock. Well, I should log back again. current stock is here. So we have already target stock, which is calculated automatically. If we fill something in a production request, this target stock should change. Let's see. Yes, it's changed. Let's do it again. So everything seems to be okay here. What else we should do here? We want also to divide the products and fill the requirements here and here. What should be procured and what should be manufactured based on a property inside those products. There is a property called procurement type, and here you're seeing prot, and there is also proc. Here it's proc. So based on the properties, we want to set if we don't have enough stock based on the current and target stock and also the sales request and production request, we want to calculate procurement and production. I want to make one adjustment for the sales requests. I want here this to be negative number, to be somehow easier to track, and it will be easier representation. For do this, we will go back to sales model default, and instead of value, we will multiply by -1. When we go back here and in the cells, delete everything. We are doing this because currently only the delta values, the values which are changed, are sent here. Later we will do also another data manager package which we are going to call and to send this data without the need for always changing some value here. Okay, let's see what will happen here. Okay, so it's with negative value. We want also this one. Okay, but here we have another problem. The target stock is negative because we have negative values here. To correct that, let's go back to inventory model, scripts for inventory, and here we'll add one operator, negative, minus. And let's again do the calculation. Okay, so target stock is right now positive as we want. So the next thing is to calculate what is for production and what in procurement. So we'll again use Endwhen, and for dimension we are going to use products with dot here and define a property here which is procurement type or proc type. This is the ID of it. And if we have product type, then we should do following calculation. So we'll get this. So I want stack here minus sales minus product requests, production requests, sorry. Plus get stock, then all of it is saved in as in flow plot. I think I have one error here. Let's see. Okay, validation passed. And let's try it, but with this one, because the first member is procurement type, not production type, not production. So for production we have 637, and if we have 700 on current stock, we'll have minus for production. We could correct this later, but we will keep it as it is now. I don't want to bother with this right now. Okay, the same thing we should do for the procurement, but we should use another property member. So instead of prod here, it should be proc, and here also. Okay. This is our member. Okay. So I think this is it for now. Oh, we could do another test here, because for some reason the logistic or inventory manager will want to make adjustments in the target stock. We could do this now, it's not a problem. This will change the numbers for procurement and production, and as you see, when we adjust the target stock, it's not overwritten by the first set of calculations. This is because we are only calculating target stock whenever we change anything else except target stock. So this is it for now. In next video I'm going to prepare another models like BOM. Probably we will use BOM model, and then we will use the keyword lookup. This is another possibility for interaction between models. Thank you for watching, and bye. bye for now.